To choose an action that your Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will do when you are typing capital letter, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. Under spoken assistant section, tap speak keyboard input allowed. And then under capital letter section, select the desired option you like to use. You can select do nothing to set your phone to do nothing when you are typing capital letters. Or you can select say capital to set your phone to say capital and then followed by the letter name when you are typing capital letter. Or you can select change pitch to set your phone to change the spoken feedback pitch when you are typing capital letter. Or you can select play sound to set your phone to play a song when you are typing capital letter. As the example, we will select say capital. To see how this feature works, open an app where you can type something with your keyboard. As the example, we will create a new note. Now, type something with a capital letter.
Capital T Tango.
You can hear that when you type a capital letter, your phone will say capital and then followed by the letter name. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.